Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fuel diesel truck, only way. Start by parking level, shutting off the engine and engaging the parking brake, then gather gloves and safety glasses. Inspect the filler neck, cap, and vents for debris or damage. Avoid sparks, smoking, or cell phone use while fueling. Keep a spill kit and absorbent pads nearby and no emergency shutoff procedures at fuel stations. Follow these safety steps every time to prevent spills and damage. Choosing the right diesel is crucial for reliable starts and engine longevity, so always follow your truck maker's guidance. Use recommended cetane levels and approved additives when needed. In cold weather, switch to winterized diesel or add anti-gel to maintain flow and protect fuel filters. Never accidentally use gasoline and avoid unknown blends that can harm the injection system. Regularly inspect fuel quality when filling at unfamiliar stations to avoid problems. When fueling, insert the nozzle fully and hold it steady to minimize spills and static buildup, and never force a nozzle that doesn't fit. Fuel slowly as you approach the automatic shutoff to avoid overfilling and allow space for thermal expansion. If you run from multiple stations, note the gallons or liters in station to track performance and detect contaminated fuel. Clean any drips immediately and replace the cap securely before restarting the truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.